Luxury, style, and performance. The Lexus ES has always been a strong contender in the premium sedan market. But in 2026, Lexus is taking things to the next level. Is this the best ES yet? Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the 2026 Lexus ES boasts a more aggressive and refined design. The signature spindle grille has been updated with a bolder, sleeker pattern, while the sharp LED headlights now feature a more futuristic look. The body lines are sculpted to perfection, giving this sedan an elegant yet sporty stance. Lexus has also introduced new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18 to 20 inches, and check out that those connected LED taillights give the ES a premium, high-tech vibe. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in luxury. Lexus has taken their craftsmanship to the next level, using high-quality materials like semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, and even an available suede headliner. The redesigned steering wheel features a sleeker look with haptic feedback controls, and the all-new 14-inch infotainment screen now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for those who love a relaxing drive, the ambient lighting and ultra-quiet cabin make this an oasis on wheels. Rear passengers, they get extra legroom and available reclining seats. Talk about first-class comfort. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 ES comes with multiple powertrain options, including an efficient hybrid and an all-new turbocharged 4-cylinder option producing up to 300 horsepower. But for those craving a smoother ride, the ES 350's refined V6 remains a fan favorite. Lexus has also improved the suspension system for a more dynamic yet comfortable ride, while the available all-wheel drive option ensures confidence on any road. So, is the 2026 Lexus ES the perfect luxury sedan? With its refreshed design, high-tech features, and refined performance, it's certainly a strong contender. But what do you think? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.